Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I will teach you how to fix iOS 16 slow performance issue on iPhone. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Guys, when we update our iPhone, the storage of our iPhone increases, due to which our iPhone becomes slow. So check and manage your iPhone storage. For this, go to settings menu on your device. Now scroll down to find general and tap on it. Now tap on iPhone storage. Here confirm that you should have 5 to 7 GB free space. Otherwise your phone may slow down. If you don't have enough space, then delete some data. Method 2. Increase your iPhone battery. Guys, even if your iPhone battery is less than 15%, iPhone becomes slow. So charge your iPhone and the slow performance problem will be solved. Method 3. Update your iPhone. Guys, sometimes iPhone becomes slow due to bug in the old iOS update. So update your iPhone. For this, go to settings menu. Swipe down to find General and tap on it. Tap Software Update. So guys, you can see here it's showing software up to date. That means I have installed the latest software version of iOS in my iPhone. If you have not installed the latest version of iOS 16, it will come here asking you to install it on your iPhone. If your iPhone is performing slowly despite trying these three methods, then reboot your iPhone once and reset all settings of the iPhone once. The slow performance problem will be resolved. That's it. Like this little video before you go. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.